education. Let me take you to an alien world beyond your imagination, where incredible things happen, invisible to you, but everywhere around you. I'm talking about photosynthesis, the process where water and carbon dioxide combine with sunlight to create oxygen and carbohydrate molecules. Life doesn't exist without it. We depend on it for the food we eat and the oxygen we breathe. Chlorophyll makes this happen, but chlorophyll doesn't just appear, as if by magic.
Not really. I'm going to take you on a journey into the nano world of chaotic collisions that allow a plant or algae or even a bacteria to build a molecule of chlorophyll from scratch. Where what keeps our planet green and alive is powered by enzymes in a 16-step chemical process. But first, we've got to get to grips with how the planet-scale process of photosynthesis is all happening at the nanoscale in a whole different, very small dimension. We'll begin with a leaf, the basic unit of photosynthesis. We can see nature's solar panel. Give or take, this is about 10 centimeters. Let's start getting smaller. Part of it, 1 centimeter stem, is 10 million nanometers. The new unit of measurement, turn it on its side and go 10 times smaller to the thinness of a leaf at 0.1 centimeters, 1 millimeter, or a massive 1 million nanometers. Now let's go to the smallest thing we can see, the little hairs on the leaf. They're 100,000 nanometers.
Now we've reached our human visual limit, let's really get into this plant. Now we're at the level we can't see without a microscope.
At 10,000 nanometers is the size of a human cell, but we're not there, we're in a plant. We're in a palisade cell, squashed in with the chloroplasts. Think back, you might remember them from school. They're full of chlorophyll. We're now right in the powerhouse of photosynthesis, in a space about 30,000 to 40,000 nanometers. This is the structure our incredible proteins move around in.
Jumping down to their level. The nano world. We'll start with the viruses, who are getting all the attention nowadays. At 100 nanometers, they're the start of this exciting new dimension. But we've got to go smaller still. 10 times smaller, and we're with the proteins. We can go 10 times smaller again to a molecule, but we'll stick here with the proteins. They're the ones that matter to this story. They're the movers and motors that make photosynthesis happen.
This environment is incredibly frenetic, busy with proteins squishing past each other. Fortunately here, gravity doesn't matter anymore. We're not subject to it, there is very little friction, and things move at super fast speeds. Proteins can take any shape they feel like taking, whatever gets the job done. When the job is moving molecules in the process of photosynthesis, this shape can be like a wedge, a duck, or a trowel.